Hello, dear friends. Hope all are doing good. Today, we'll have a look at some of the succulents and we will see how they are growing from leaves. We have some varieties of succulents. I like them because it requires very less maintenance and they come in lot of different varieties. So this is one of the succulents. This looks nice and I am trying to grow this from leaves. We can easily grow them from cuttings as well as leaves. I have not had great success propagating from leaves, but some have grown. Here you can see the plant which we saw now. They are growing from leaves. So I have taken a couple which have grown from leaves and showing you. We'll take a closer look now. You can see how they are growing from the leaves. A new plant has grown. These are very delicate, so I need to handle with care till they become bigger and stronger. I'll plant them in containers. These succulents look nice. They grow well and looks very good for landscaping as well as keeping indoors. This is a jade plant which I have grown from cuttings. So this grows very easily from cuttings. You can propagate and get many plants. So this is the new plant which has grown from this. I have taken a leaf, so this has grown well. Same way you can see the leaves as well from which the new plant is growing. Nature is amazing. So it's growing, a new plant is growing. I took out to show you how it is growing, so I'll put it back. Same way I'm trying to grow another jade plant from the leaf. That's a different jade plant which has bigger leaves than this variety. It's growing inside. Let me see if I can show you. New plants are growing from that. Let me gently take it out. I hope you can see the new growth coming from the leaf. This is a jade plant. So after some time we can see another new plant. So it's easy to propagate from leaves all these succulents. That is the new plant and you can see some roots forming. If we overwater all these succulents, then it will rot. We need to take care. Same way, here you have one more. At the edges you see small plantlets. Each one is becoming a new plant. This is the one. So the small plantlets fall down and become new plants. So this is becoming quite invasive. So many new plants from this variety. So it spreads very fast. Unfortunately, we don't have much space at our home, so I'll try my best to keep it wherever I can. Here you can see the snake plant, Sansevieria. This also is growing from leaves only. This can be easily propagated from leaf cuttings. You can see new plants growing from the leaves. I'll show you one. Here you can see so this is a leaf cutting. So after a couple of weeks you can see new leaves growing from them and becoming new plants. So these snake plants can be propagated from the rhizome as well as leaf cuttings. It's so easy to grow. Looks nice. You can see the roots and the new leaf. So this is growing of snake plants from leaf cuttings. I'll show you one more. These were planted long time ago and now becoming individual plants. So one big snake plant leaf, if you take, you can make 4 or 5 cuttings from that, and each will grow into a new plant. You can see the roots and the new plant. This is the Sansevieria growing of the snake plant from the leaf cuttings. So I need to find another planter to plant these things. Same way, this cactus variety grows very fast and so easily from leaves. This is the mother plant from which all these have been taken. This looks nice, and all these plants have grown from small cuttings. So whatever small leaves that fall from this, if you plant this simply into the soil, it becomes so huge. All these have grown from very small pieces like this. This is amazing. So I hope you like the collection of succulents that I have at our home, and how it is easy to grow new plants from leaves. So let us grow more plants whatever we can. These look great indoors as well as outdoors. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. Wishing you goodness and happiness. Take care. Happy gardening. Bye bye. Bye.